The Blue-Backed Manakins in Tobago offer a show of sound and color as well as dance. The dance is preceded by a loud call, actually a duet. This is followed by a strange knocking sound with 2 to 4 males participating. As excitement builds, they drop onto a special horizontal branch where the dance escalates. With a female in attendance, the tempo increases to a truly spectacular performance involving a variety of sounds and an elaborate choreography that includes cartwheeling, leaping and twirling and generally showing off outrageously. The discerning female judges the dance carefully and makes her selection. She eventually goes off on her own to tend her nest and rear her chicks with no help from her dancing male.